What makes a great menu and a mature menu? Yes, you have to have recipes that appeal to your customers. That's first and foremost. You should have that. But beyond that, what is the next thing that you have to think about that a lot of people miss? And it is really understanding in totality. I don't just mean for a singular recipe, but when you're looking at your entire menu, what are the production implications for that menu? What are the storage implications for that menu? Meaning you're going to have a ratio of frozen ingredients, dry ingredients, fresh ingredients. They all have to be stored. They also have to have a certain process to produce. And on top of that, you're going to have a certain amount of a minimum requirement, I should say, for your inventory purchasing. So you have to take all these things into consideration outside of just having recipes that your customers like. When you look at your inventory, when you look at your equipment, when you look at the spatial requirements you have based on the location that you're in, these are all things that you're going to need to be aware of and take into account when it comes to developing a mature menu.